Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Bluetooth is missing from device manager. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So click on the start button and then you have to click on the settings icon. Now if you can't access settings through the start button, you can always search for that here in the Windows search bar. Click on system. Scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. And here you'll find Bluetooth with the run button corresponding to it. So run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. It will also automatically fix the issue for you. So simply run the Bluetooth troubleshooter and follow the instructions from here. Next method, we need to check the Bluetooth services. So for that, go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to simply type services. Now you will find services under the best match, so click on that. So here you will find the B section. We have the Bluetooth services from here. So I have three Bluetooth services. Now in your case, if you have more than three Bluetooth services, the process is just the same. All you have to do is you need to make a right click on it, select properties, startup type, that should be automatic, and the service status, you need to make sure this is running. If it has stopped running, you just need to click on start, click on apply, and click on OK. Do the same thing for the other Bluetooth services. Next method, we can also create a shortcut or a Bluetooth shortcut. Like in my case, I have this Bluetooth shortcut from here, wherein if I'm going to open this, I can easily access Bluetooth. Now, how did I do that? So let me delete this first. Then let me show you. Right click at the start button. Then here you have to select like File Explorer. This one. Now, once you're in the File Explorer window, you just need to simply click on this PC, double click on the Windows C drive. Then here we need to scroll down and look for the Windows folder. Scroll down and look for the System32 folder. Now once you're in here, go ahead in the search bar and type FSQUIRT. Now you'll find this Bluetooth icon. Right click on it and then select show more options. Then you have to click on send to. Click on desktop create shortcut. Now let's close this and there you go. So if you want to send files, you can simply do that from here easily. Receive files, you can simply click that from here. So that's it. That's how I can easily fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.